Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1974 Mgb Roadster. It's finished in new white with black interior, black top, chrome luggage rack. We'll see if it has a tonneau cover. Black top boot, really sharp restored car showing 78,000 miles. But really lovely, crisp color scheme, great paint all the way around, really good chrome, lovely set of these tall tires with restored rims and beauty rims fitted. But if you look at this car in detail, it's just really crisp and beautiful, excellent chrome work all the way around. Lovely windshield, definitely new, kind of a replacement tinted, great lower rubber. But yeah, just a really striking, handsome, restored Mgb in these really crisp colors. We purchased this car recently from its owner. I'm not sure what state, I'll have to look on the title, but you know, definitely a great car, well kept indoors all of its life, no rust, fantastic door fit, really good panel fit all the way around. So really, really striking in this crisp, clean white with its black interior and weather equipment. OEM mirrors, these are original style stainless mirrors in really lovely shape. Yeah, I've driven this car. Have a look at the driving video. This is just mechanically excellent. Nothing bad about it. Stainless luggage rack. Let's take a look in the trunk here. You can see in here it has the dress-up carpeted trunk kit, which was an option. A couple awards it's won here. Books, tools, receipts, jack, everything we'd like to see on an Mgb. Looks like it's got a stainless exhaust system fitted. But yeah, take a look at this car's undercarriage. It's really, really nicely done. Full cosmetic restoration and mechanically attended as needed. We're gonna do this a little bit backwards. We're gonna do the engine bay first. So in here, you can see it's just beautiful, super crisp and clean, hardly any dust or specks anywhere. It looks like it's got a brand new harness fitted. Engine looks rebuilt. It's got that downdraft Weber fitted. Radiator's in great shape. So downdraft Weber with a header. Really gets up and goes well. I'm gonna be driving this shortly. Let's look at this car's interior. So beautifully restored interior. Excellent dash, excellent seat set. You can see here, very comfortable, great condition. We're doing a small repair on this passenger headrest. That's getting replaced. As you can see, seats are gorgeous, carpets, excellent, excellent top boot. Visors have been replaced. Dash is in great shape. 78,368 miles, 78,368 on this really lovely, well-restored, crisp Mgb. Last year for the chrome bumpers. Very good value. These cars are tons of fun for the low buy-in price. 1974 Mgb Roadster, new white, black interior, black top, top boot, stainless luggage rack, 4-speed, Rostyle wheels, very, very nice restoration inside and out all over. www.kurttannermotorcars.com